Jai Sri Krishna. And today, let's talk about the various aspects of bhajans. You know, many people feel everyone loves music, everyone enjoys music. But has it ever occurred to you that bhajans can have various aspects? There are dhunis. Take a look at this one. It says, माता कैसे करूं तेरा ध्यान, माता कैसे करूं तेरा ध्यान, क्या सेवा करूं, क्या भेंटा धरूं, कैसे रिझाऊं, कैसे मनाऊं, कैसे रिझाऊं, कैसे मनाऊं, कैसे करूं तेरा ध्यान. So this particular bhajan says, how do I worship you? How do I pray to you? Now for me, a question of when you pray, see, all religions talk about getting rid of the ego. I think in the Guru Granth Sahib they speak about home. And even in Christianity they talk about being humble. In Hinduism, of course, they speak that unless your ego is removed, you cannot have the darshan of the ultimate. But look at what this bhajan says. She says, ना मैं मीरा ना मैं राधा, ना मैं मीरा ना मैं राधा, फिर भी शाम को पाना है, फिर भी शाम को पाना है, पास मेरे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, पास मेरे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, चरणों में शीश झुकाना है, चरणों में शीश झुकाना है, ना मैं मीरा ना मैं राधा. So here she says, even though I'm not a Meera, I'm not a Radha, फिर भी I want to achieve the Lord, achieve the ultimate, and I have nothing to offer because I have nothing to offer, and yet I want to come into your presence. So what do I offer you? And as I said earlier, maybe what we need to offer is our ego. And look at this, look at the mood of this bhajan. She says, बल दे दो बलदाता, गीत तुम्हारे गाऊं, कभी किसी से ना घबराऊं, कभी किसी से ना घबराऊं, पल पल मैं मुस्काऊं, पल पल मैं मुस्काऊं, बल दे दो बलदाता, गीत तुम्हारे गाऊं. So she says, I don't have you gave me the strength to be able to pray to you the way I am meant to pray to you. And I should not be afraid of anyone. Kabhi kisi se na ghabraun, but pal pal main muskaun. All I'm asking is that I should not be afraid of anyone, and that it should be smiling. And look at the words of this next bhajan. She says, जब नैया तेरी डोले रे और मन तेरा घबराए, जब श्रद्धा तेरी डगमग हो और सुख शांति खो जाए, जप कर ले, जप तप कर ले, तब तप कर ले. He says, when your boat is shaking and your mind is worried, and when your faith is shaky and you have no peace, then what to do? Then he says, jap kar le, jap tap kar le, tab tap kar le. And then there is so many more. So whenever you look at a bhajan, and even chanting, which goes on with Bolo Hare Rama, राम राम हरे हरे, बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे. And then it's got some dohas. Most of them are from Kabir. And it says, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सिमरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. He says, everyone when is unhappy, they pray to you, and no one prays to you when they are in their happiness. But if they were to pray to you when they would be happy, then there would be no pain. It's not that problems will not come, but it will be that you will not consider them so big. And then the other bhajan which says, धीरज रख वो रहमत की बरखा बरसा भी देगा, जिस साईं ने दर्द दिया है वो ही दवा ही देगा. Just have a little peace, have a little patience. धीरज रख वो रहमत की बरखा बरसा ही देगा. Grace will fall upon you. और जिस साईं ने दर्द दिया है वो ही दवा भी देगा. So with those words, whenever listen to a bhajan, they can do so much to you. And music and bhajan together is magic. So until next time, take care and God bless. Yeah.